Hi everyone. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars in this today's newspaper, May the 5th on a Tuesday. We will continue with the Sudoku with 2 stars. So let's get started. All right. I see here in the middle a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 4. The 7 and the 4. So no 7 and the 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. How about these 3 numbers? The numbers are 1, 2, and then 9. I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only one place for the 1 should be there. The 2 and the 9 are left. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. How about the 9 in this column, 9 in the first column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And then, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. I see here 6. No 6 in these 2 boxes. There are 6. No 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be this one. 3 missing numbers in this row, the third row. The missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 5. 2, 3, and a 5. 2, 3, and a 5. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. 1 place left for the 3 should be here. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. Then 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So on the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be here. Well. 2 numbers left in this big square. The numbers are 3 and a 7. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. And 5. All right. How about the numbers 3 in this column, the 3 in the column next? So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then 9 in this row, the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Two numbers left in the last column for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then Ooh, 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 is here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes. Alright. 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1 number left in this first column for the number 8. Then 3. Then how about these 3 numbers? The missing numbers are the 5, the 8, and the 4. We have an 8 and a 4 here, so no 8 and a 4 in this box. That means 1 digit left for the 5. 8 and 4 are left in this row. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So in the column between, we have already a 6. So the 6 should be here in one of those 2 boxes. I see there 6. How about the 2, no, the 2, the 9, yeah, no, the 9 I cannot fill. The 4, yes, in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. I see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there in this row. So we have a 4 in that row. We have a 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 digit left in this column for the number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about which number can I use? Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4. No 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. I see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. I see there 5, no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be here. 5 in that this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 1 box left in this column, middle column, for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6. The missing number is a 6. Alright. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? The missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 1 number left in this row for the number 6, I believe. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2, I believe. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, this is faster than the first previous Sudoku with 1 star. So I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. Thank you and bye bye.